Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA Ignition exterior door handle kit for the 2007 to 2014 Chevy Silverado, Tahoe, Cadillac Escalade, as well as the GMC Sierra, Yukon, and Avalanche. So as you can see here, this is a complete kit. It includes 4 door handles to cover all 4 doors on the vehicle. As you can see here, this specific door handle here has a keyhole. This is going to be the driver's side door. And if you flip this over, you can see that there's a LF here, which is for left front, which is going to be the driver's door. If you look at the back over here, you could see RLH, so this is rear left. If we look at this one, RH is for right, and then another RH for right. So the passenger side door handles, it doesn't matter which one you use on the front or the rear. The driver's side, you're gonna have the one with the keyhole for the driver's side door, and then this handle will be for the driver's side rear passenger door. All of these handles, as you can see, come with a protective film on them. This will prevent the handle from getting scratched. We recommend you install the handle first. Once the handle is installed, you go ahead and peel the protective film off. This way you don't scratch the handle at all during the installation process. The installation process with these handles is straightforward. You remove the factory handle, you install it in its place. It already has the cable rod bushings pre-installed, making the installation pretty straightforward. If you guys do have any questions, you can reach out to us directly and we'll be glad to help.